The clock, taking away the moments that make up a dull day. The fritter and weighs the hours in an offhand way. Here is an example of the astronomical clock in Craigslist. Situated in the Craigslist town square, this was built in the 1410s and provided essential information such as hour, date, zodiac sign, positions of the planets, and upcoming holidays. This information was important for an agrarian society whose smallest unit of measure was the hour. Here is another example of the astronomical clock placed on the Craigview Tower. Social change. Later, the Industrial Revolution became focused on factories, not farms. Time schedules changed. The working time was based upon the output of the machine. The Industrial Revolution brought about increased employment opportunities at the cost of strict scheduling. The workforce depended on the clock. Jumping forward over 600 years, and you will find the astronomical clock in Craigview is still running and is popular tourist attraction to this day. Today, highly accurate timekeeping instruments set the best for our lives. GPS time signals beamed down from the orbiting satellite calibrate the function of precision navigation equipment, as well as mobile phones, instant stock trading systems, and nationwide power distribution grids. So integral have these time-based technologies become to our daily existence that our dependency on them is recognized only when they fail to work. Here is an example from time past all the way to Stonehenge, all the way now to the atomic clock. How does the clock work? Here is an exploded view of all the components that create a clock to function. Mechanical clocks use gears and devices called an escape mechanism. The escape mechanism works by transferring the force driving the gears into an oscillating mechanism such as pendulum, spring, or a Virgo and Fluid. Each oscillating mechanism has its own frequency of oscillation and period of movement. The oscillating pieces work as the clock's counting mechanism, and through the use of gears, the clock is able to keep accurate time. Quartz movement. Is the oscillations inherent in the quartz actually give the clock an accuracy that is close to 1 second in 10 years. Quartz movement utilizes the oscillations of the quartz crystal to oscillate magnetism in a magnet which causes it to turn. This turning is transferred to gears that then display the time in the front of the clock. This mechanism is also used in the grandfather clock. Materials. Electronic clocks make use of many of the most modern materials available, including plastic and alloy metals. Cases can be made of either plastic or metal. Watches with metal cases often include a stainless steel back. Microchips are typically made of silicon, while LEDs are usually made of gallium arsenide. LCDs consist of liquid crystal sandwiched between glass pieces. Electrical contacts between parts are usually gold-plated. Gold is an almost ideal electrical conductor and can be used successfully in very small amounts. Plain clocks to detailed clocks. The prices that range between those types of clocks at retail stores range from $4.99 to $284.99. Grandfather clocks range from anywhere between $150 to $4,000. Specialty mechanical clocks like this one shown here to the right can be up to $60,000. Disadvantages in current wall clocks. Batteries. The wall clock usually contains an alkaline AA battery. If the battery is unused, it will last approximately 3 to 5 years. When it is under a drain or load of 1 amp or 1,000 milliamps, it will run approximately 24 hours. This type of power source contains different kinds of chemicals like acid, which is extremely toxic. Batteries are also known to leak these chemicals as they get older. This is known as corrosion. Time accuracy. Time adjustment. Current wall clocks have to be manually adjusted which leads to human error. Daylight saving time will not adjust automatically like a cell phone will, which can cause you to be late for work and forget to change it. Wall clocks compared to the atomic clock. The accuracy of new atomic clocks are about 10 billion times more precise than your quartz wristwatch. The quartz clock can keep an accuracy within plus or minus 15 seconds per month. Ways to improve. There are two main ways to improve the clock: solar power or other type of continuous power source, and sync with the atomic clock wirelessly to provide 100% accuracy. Clock technology is changing the clock. Technology progresses at the speed of light. Clocks are becoming more of a program than a mechanical time unit. A central computer can be connected to the internet to sync with the proper time, then be displayed on several monitors. A central computer can also be programmed to display other information along with the date and time like weather, news, and video advertising, as displayed here.